This is the best of the cheapest Raspberry Pi rack mounts. Welcome back to BensTechLab. There are quite a few Raspberry Pi rack mounts on the market now. Some have a lot of bells and whistles, but sometimes you just need to get a few Raspberry Pis off the desk and don't need anything elaborate. This UCTronics kit, number U6195, is just a straightforward metal bracket for mounting 4 Raspberry Pis in a rack. Here's how it comes packed in the box, and here's all the parts unpacked. There's no extra electronics, power buttons, or I/O relocation, which makes it quite affordable as well as very reliable with nothing extra to go wrong. Let's grab some Raspberry Pis and see how everything fits. Included in this kit is extremely brief instructions photocopied upside down. Also included in this kit is 2 bags of screws. We've got 1 bag of rack mount hardware and 1 bag of small mounting screws. We're going to need these to mount the Raspberry Pis onto their trays as well as the trays into the rack. Each Raspberry Pi gets 4 screws. There we go, we've got 4 Raspberry Pis all mounted onto their individual trays, ready to go into the rack mount. So right away it feels like the paint job on this rack makes the screw threads a little tight. So the thumb screws are a little hard to put in just by finger tightening alone. But I think probably once the screws have gone through the paint on the threads a little bit, once or twice, it'll probably be much easier to take them in and out. There we go, we've got all 4 Raspberry Pis mounted into their trays and all 4 trays mounted into the bracket. Now it's time to throw this into the rack. If you ever need to service one of the Raspberry Pis on this rack, you can remove a single tray, swap the SD card or whatever you wanted to do, and then replace the tray in your rack. The simplicity of this rack mount also means it will work with most Raspberry Pi hats as long as they aren't too tall for the rack space, including the official Raspberry Pi PoE hat. While I'm a sucker for cool tech gadgets, the simplicity of this rack mount is beautiful, and I like how you can remove one Raspberry Pi at a time. Hey, if you like this video, hit the like button, and check out these videos over here.